Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing the giveaway winner. It was randomly selected with a winning wheel for the IK Foamer 1.5. We'll do that spin real quick, reveal the winner. I'd like to say congratulations. So stay tuned for the clip. I'm going to roll it right now. Okay, so here we are, getting ready to do the spin. There's the official rules there. If you didn't put enter me, you did not get entered because you were supposed to watch the video. So we have approximately 42 people who had entered the contest. The list of names is here. Just scroll down for you real quick. All the names are there, and they're on the wheel here. I'm just gonna full screen the wheel, and we're gonna just do a few shuffles. That way it's as fair as possible. Just keep clicking shuffle, and here we go for the winner. Put the volume up. Alright guys, good luck. This is for the IK Foamer 1.5. Third giveaway on the channel. And that's the winner. X-ray on the side. Congratulations. I'm going to reach out to you and you're going to give me your information, and I'll get that foamer sent out to you. And thanks for being a subscriber. Thank everybody else as well for entering the contest and subscribing. If you do decide you want to buy this foamer, I'll put a link in the description. It's a great product. I really like it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Congratulations once again. And I'll reach out to you. You're going to have to send me that information, and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Okay, so congratulations to the winner. Basically, all you're going to have to do is either contact me on Instagram, or you can contact me directly through the comment section of this video with your email address. And from there, I'll personally email you to get all your information. That way I can get that sent out to you. That's all you got to do. It'll be free to you. So once again, congratulations. Thanks for watching, everyone. I appreciate everyone that has entered the giveaway, and I appreciate all the support. More content coming, more giveaways coming. So like, comment, subscribe as always, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Thanks for watching, guys.